Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to install the Adobe Photoshop Express on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So this is the open source, you can download it. So you can download it whether you can go to the Google browser or you can go to the Microsoft Store apps. So I'm going to go to the Microsoft Store. So go to search bar, type there Microsoft Store. And once you type there, just wait for the load. Now in here guys, on the search bar you need to type here Adobe Photoshop Express, and once you search these terms Adobe Photoshop Express, just open this app and in the Google Chrome this will redirect you to only this website, so I'm not going to show you that. When you type here the store apps like this and go to this top free website from the Microsoft top free apps. Now in here you will see Adobe Express free, but this will also redirect you to the Microsoft Store. So we are directly going here, click on get option here simply and wait for the confirmation to download it. It will start downloading. Now starting download. So let me pause the video guys to save your time, and then I will show you once it's downloaded. So now it's get downloaded guys. Click on open. Now you can close the Chrome and now you can set it next, and you can continue with your Google Chrome ID or you can sign in with your Gmail ID. So this is how guys you can install the Photoshop Express on your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share, and do not forget to share this video with anyone else who is needed. So thank you, thanks for watching.